हेलो हाय जय जगन्नाथ। तो मु गाँव को आसती गणेश पूजा सेलिब्रेट करने आम पूरा भुवनेश्वर सपरिवार गाँव को आसलु एंड गाँव रे गणेश पूजा सेलिब्रेट करला बेले मत कि भिजुआल्स मिलला जोटा कि मो पुराना फोन थिला एंड जो आम माँ लास्ट ईयर बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करूँ। तो मुझे वीडियो गुड़ा को गोटे ब्लॉग रे कन्वर्ट करी। आई होप कि आपण मन पसंद आसो वीडियोटी को शेष पर्यंत देखते आ
Hey desire, burning like a fire. What you gonna do when it crumbles down? Watch it get higher, down to the wire. Will you let it burn till we almost drown? Higher, goodbye, honey, where do we lie? Where you're headed, am I going there too? I don't wanna ask why, wanna give this a try with you. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone, 'cause it's a big pill to swallow, but you won't do it on your own. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone. I don't care what happens now, where we go, how far and how. If you wanna go, I'll follow. Gotta get your feet wet, gotta give what you get. I don't wanna finish where we started. Like the river flowing, tell me where we're going. Take me to a place that's brand new. Every second growing, time feels like it's slowing with you. And if you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone. It's a big pill to swallow, but you won't do it on your own. If you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go alone. I don't care what happens now, where we go, how far and how. If you wanna go, I'll follow. I won't let you go. I won't let you go alone. I won't let you go alone. I won't let you go alone. I won't let you go
ଏଇଠି ଏଇଠି ଅଛି ହଁ ଦି ଜଣ
ଧରିକି
ହାପି ବାର୍ଥଡେ ହାପି ବାର୍ଥଡେ ଟୁ ୟୁ ହାପି ବାର୍ଥଡେ
happy birthday to you. ବାପାଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ କହିଦେ
କେକ୍ କାଟି ଖୁଆ ପରସ୍ତ
ଗଳି ପଡିବ ହାତରେ ନେଇ
ବାପା ଖାଇବେ କଣ?
ର
ଟିକେ ଖାଲି
ଟିକେ ଦେ।
ପାଟିରେ ଖାଲି ଲଗେଇ
ଟେଷ୍ଟ
ଦିଅ
ହବ ବା। ହଉ ଟିକେ ସାମାନ୍ୟ ଦେ ତ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ହବ।
ତୁ ଖୋଇଦଉନୁ ବାପାଙ୍କୁ
ହଁ ର
ଟିକେ
କାଇଁ ଦଉଛୁ?
ବାପା ସେ ତମ ମନେ ନେଇକି ବୋଉ ଖାଇଦେଇ
ଅଳ୍ପ
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too far away, loving for another day. But she asked for it. She asked for something more. She asked for it. Yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She asked for it. Yeah, she asked for it. She asked for it. Something beautiful. She mystifies me. Tell me what I did wrong, I plead. Never did I think we would be loving for another day. But she asked for it. She asked for something more. She asked for it. Yeah, she asked for something beautiful. Something beautiful. Yeah, she asked for something beautiful. She asked for it. Yeah, she asked for it. She asked for it. Something beautiful. It's almost like falling in love for the first time, all over again. Hold on tight to the feeling, but it's a roller coaster in my head. So I'm holding myself on a precipice, and I've been dreaming off the ground. So I'm looking for something that's definite. I'm praying you don't let me down. It's gotta be it's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing, all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. It's gotta be all or nothing. Or nothing at all. Hold these doubts like they're playing cards, close to my chest. Turn them round for the river and hope it's something that I won't regret.